Welcome to InfoWare. Today I want to introduce to you MapTrip 112, our navigation for police, fire departments and emergency vehicles. So I have prepared some slides here to step you through the application. So you need to avoid a situation like this. You definitely don't want to get stuck in a road that is too narrow to drive through. Either because it's always very narrow, and like in this case here, or because there is it's temporarily not suited for your type of vehicle because there is a construction site. For that we have an editor. It's called the detour editor, and this quick video here shows you how you can mark a segment of the street and then say this segment of the street is now closed for a certain period of time. You can select the segment of the street, you can take a note and say why it's closed, you can choose the direction in which it is closed, and then you can save that. And that is being distributed to all your navigation devices, and they will henceforth avoid this segment of the road in their route calculation. Next, emergency vehicles. Let me get myself out of the way here a little bit. They need to go places where you and I don't go, and where we're not supposed to go, and where our GPS navigation systems won't take us. They will say this is not a digitized area, or this is not an area, this is blocked for traffic. But if you are this type of vehicle, you need to go in the middle of a park. And that is what we have implemented in our emergency routing. So struggling a little bit with PowerPoint here. So that is also another feature that we have implemented in the detour editor. You can see our navigation also has a part in the web, the editors, where you can modify the way they're supposed to behave, and you can create your own set of data and your own settings that are only valid for you. So you can toggle an emergency routing, and you can define a radius. So the last 300 meters as you approach your destination, the navigation will start to act like a police navigation or a fire department navigation. So when you're inside this radius here, then the navigation will allow you to drive into this park where outside of that radius the navigation will behave like any other navigation. But as you approach this radius, or as you get into this radius, then the route will take you into the park through pedestrian areas or what have you. And this is what it looks like in the application. When you are entering this radius where the emergency routing is active, MapTrip will tell you,
"You are now in emergency routing. Now turn left."
And the driving instructions also come quicker to adapt to the quicker or faster driving style. So if you need any further information, or if you need a demo of MapTrip 112, do not hesitate to contact us. Go to our website, check it out, check out all the information that we have there, or send us an email, and we will be happy to tell you all about our great product.